In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to create an amazing Facebook story for free right from your mobile using a free mobile app, which is Canva. I'll show you step by step from how to install to how to edit, and then finally how to share directly from that app to your Facebook story right within this tutorial. So stay tuned. Hi, this is Follow Me and welcome to VAGPE Media. So let's head over to our mobile screen and straight go to Google Play Store. From here, we'll have to search for Canva App, C-A-N-V-A, Canva App. It's a free app. You are supposed to install it because it is already installed in my phone. I'll simply open it. Let it open. Once it is opened, such an interface will open in front of you. In the search bar, you'll have to type Facebook post. It's a very easy to do app, so no brainstorming. Simply type what you want to create. Facebook post, Facebook story, and simply enter, and it will give you many templates. You use today I'll be using a blank template like so. The aspect ratio is as per Facebook stories ratio. You can choose any of these templates. Few are free, few are pro, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose only blank template. Now, once you choose it, it will directly lead you to this place where you can access your gallery, your phone gallery, where you have already shot your audio or your pictures which you want to upload, or else you can directly go to the next tab, which is upload section. From here also you can upload your own files from any other device. I have already uploaded a couple of videos for this demonstration, so I'll take one. If you want, you can crop your video. It's up to you. Once cropped, then go to this plus icon right in the left hand side, bottom left hand side corner, and then go to elements. From elements, type frame. Once you type frame, you'll get many frames out here. So choose any one you want. I will be choosing this mobile one. Choose it, keep it aside, and then hover this video on top of your frame, and it will kind of suck it inside, and then enlarge it by dragging both the corners of the frame. Now next is getting a background, nice background. So in the same tab, element tab, I'll be giving gradient background like so. All are free elements, so you can choose any. I'll be taking this creamish background, which is going well with my theme video. So I'll take this. I will go to these three dots here at the corner, the bottom corner, and then find set as background, and it will be automatically taken as a background. Now you position your frame as per you need. Try to capture as much space as possible like so, and then go to this plus icon again, and then go for the text option and select your text, position it in the right way. Then selecting the text box, you choose the font size, and by this toggle you can change the scroller, you can change it like so, and position it, and then go back, cross it, and then go back and edit your text whatever you want. So once it is done, go to this right hand side corner button to add another slide. I'll be taking the second slide, which is a blank slide, and do the same repetition. Go for the next video clip. First take the background, set it as background from this more option, set it as background, then go to your upload section, upload your video, and bring it inside the frame. Choose any frame this time if you like. I am choosing a different frame this time, and position the frame and add the video from your upload section like so, and then again same way you add another text and change the text size, font, and style this way. I will do the same steps quickly again by going to this add slide section, add another slide. I'm going to do this 3 times this time. You can do it even once if your video length is longer. Keep the timeline in mind. And once this is done, next is I'm going to go to this effect. And by clicking the text box, I'll be taking a beautiful effect from here. You can change by clicking on these 3 tiny dots. You can change the color of these effects. Like I'm going to change the shadow color from this palette. And then I can again go for the shape of this text. I can carve it as much as I want. I can reduce and increase the curve, reverse the curve like so. It's very simple. And then again I will go to this add slide section and I will change the slide, and I will give the same different type of an effect, text effect. I'll go to effect again. I'll choose my desired effect, and then by clicking on these 3 dots I can change the dimension of the shadows and position it in a right way like so. And finally, for my first slide, I will take another effect, which is a hollow text shadow effect, and then I will change the color of the filling inside text color as black like so. Next is animation. Now, keeping the text box selected, I will choose one beautiful animation in order to give it a different dimension and the mood. Same way, I'll go to the next slide and go to animation option and then choose another animation. Same way, the third one, I'll choose the bounce animation. Next is adding an audio. There are 3 places from where you can get an audio. From this audio section, you can get different types of audios. You can choose any. Next is by element. By going to element, you can type audio in the search bar, and then you can directly go to audio section right here, and you can choose any of these audios. And the third option is you can go to this plus button and go to your upload section where you can upload your own copyright free audio from this audio section. You can get it, just select it, it will come. Then finally download it by going to the top right hand side corner download button, go to directly Facebook story, and it will prepare. Then select 1 by 1 pages. First page, first slide first, then continue. 1 by 1 slides you can choose and continue and share. Simple as that. So this is how you can simply create a video from your mobile, edit it and share it to your Facebook story. Wasn't it great? If yes, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do consider to subscribe to my channel. And VAGPE Media has come up with wonderful app which is available in Google Play Store for free. And we have also published 2 comprehensive courses on Canva, so make sure you download it. Thank you so very much. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe, stay lit.